Hi, this is Nate. We are going to show you how to diagnose the problem with this commercial two-door refrigerator. I guess they would be the same for a single door or three-door, but this one is it's running at about 50 degrees. So we're going to diagnose what the problem is with it and then show you how to fix it. Being too warm, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the evaporator. I'm going to see if it's got any ice on it. Okay, there's no ice on there. Not enough evaporator can be caused by multiple things. It could be low on Freon, could be somebody left it open. It could be a bad thermostat. It just kept running until it froze up. For this one, that's not what happened. So we're going to look further and see what else could be wrong. I'm looking under here, and I can pretty much see the problem. You can see this should have fins right here, and you do not see any fins. So this may come off like a blanket. So let's see if we can just peel this whole thing out. Right now I can feel these on the side. This is really hot. I can feel the air blowing back behind there. It's really hot, but it's not really strong. So we do have a brush that we can brush these coils off with, but I really want to try to get it off in one piece because it's kind of cool when we can do that. See the dust coming through there. Okay. Now I'll grab a brush and finish cleaning it off. And that's airflow has improved a lot. This should start to cool off. This thing's gonna cool down. We're gonna go grab a brush. We're gonna brush that the rest of the way off. Should be good. Okay, I've got the brush. We're just going to brush this off. When you're brushing these off, make sure you brush with the fins. They're pretty delicate. If you try to go sideways, you could bend the fins over and cause your airflow to decrease. So we want to brush with the same direction as the fins. So if your refrigerator or freezer starts to get a little too warm, it wouldn't hurt to find the condenser, see if you can clean it off. We'll be happy to do it for you. But if you want to do a little bit of do-it-yourself type of stuff, if you're pretty handy, feel free to just find the condenser and see if you can brush it off, and maybe you can take care of the problem yourself. And you can call us on the more serious things. Again, we're happy to come clean it for you, and thanks for watching.